Hey everybody, it's Melissa Rogozinski with RPC Strategies. So I have a confession. I hate sales. Yeah, I said it out loud. I hate sales. Everybody thinks I'm so good at it. I've gotten a lot of compliments over the last 20 or so years that I've been in legal tech sales, and the truth is I hate it. So the way that I was taught to sell was very brute force. I was taught to find my way into a law firm, find my way into the conference room, find the phone list, get it into the CRM, and then start going down the list and calling lawyers and paralegals and trying to make appointments. That just really caused a lot of anxiety for me, a lot of panic, and I didn't find it very productive. So after a couple of years of doing this, I found my way to a sales workshop, and I learned two things there that really helped me out. One, I learned to use a Bluetooth. So I can move around freely, use my hands, because that's how I communicate with people. And it made me more comfortable speaking with them. The second thing I learned was how to work with my marketing department to create a monthly email newsletter. The message in that newsletter would be something that my audience wanted to hear about, had nothing to do with what I was trying to sell them. But then I could also lead it gently into something I wanted to share with them about our services or our product. It was not pitchy, it wasn't pushy, and it worked. So over the coming weeks, you're going to see several of these videos from me about my experiences in sales. And we're releasing an ebook pretty soon that is going to help anybody who wants to or needs to learn more about sales tactics and how to sell in 2024, 2025, the kinds of things that really work and that your audience will really appreciate. So stay tuned, and I look forward to seeing you soon.